Hey guys, I just wanted to talk a little bit about some gadgets that I use on my Xbox. So let's show you one of them right. This is the Tendak USB 3.0 hub. Now, I'm sure that you've all got different USB hubs laying around for different reasons, but this hub is used for a specific thing. You can actually turn things on and off with it. Now, this is exactly as it was shipped to me on Amazon, and I will provide a link. Thank you for your purchase. Cool. Got your instruction manual. It comes in a nice protective case. Got 4 ports. 1 charging port. And these are USB 3. Really nice heavy duty cable. Like I say, I have had one of these before, and this is something I bought just in case the first one ever wears out, because I like it. I want to make sure I have more. It's always a good thing to get a backup. So like, if you have a favorite headset like the Plantronics Rig 800XL, you want to make sure that you've got a couple of them laying around, so that if that company ever got bought out by Nancom, you would have a few spare. Anywho's, one of the features, if we can get it to focus, is that DC 5-volt plug-in. So if you're using this on a non-USB 3 device and you need more power to power that charge port, you can plug in this power brick. Right here. Looks like it takes 100 to 240 volts and puts out 3 amps. So you should be able to use a 2.4 fast charge on a compatible device with that charge port. Alright, now like I said, this is a backup, so I do have this hooked up already. So, oh, and for everybody who keeps asking, the third controller is working really well. I put these, it's hard to see them, these Insignia thumb grips. I like the style and the feel of Insignia. They don't make them anymore, so I've had to order them in bulk from Best Buy Canada, because you can't get them in the States anymore. And the PlayStation ones are identical to the Xbox ones. So if you see that GXBAC SC, I'm sorry, 101, GPSA SC101. These are identical. They just come in different packaging. Also, I just got these in the mail. I got these on Amazon for about 12 bucks. You can feel through the packaging. They feel like really, really super flexy. Like really good gripping thumb grips. I don't use thumb grips from like Control Freak that change the elevation on the stick. I like the ones that go directly over the stick. Anyway, I'm sorry I got sidetracked. Let's show the USB hub. So I got mine sticking out right here behind my Xbox. So if I turn it off, you should be able to see and hear, possibly. Right here. So if I turn this back on, you should be able to see.
Not connected.
Yes, headset not connected, see? So I've turned it back on. You'll be able to see the light come back on. Headset connected. Light came back on.
Headset connected.
Headset connected from the headset. Now you can use this to swap between a headset that's dead and a headset that's fully charged. So if I go over here, get this one turned on. We'll just swap those out. This one says headset not connected. So I'll go back here to the hub. I'll turn off that one. And I'll turn on the other one. Headset connected. And boom, there it goes.
Headset connected.
Headset connected. So, this device works for a lot of different things. But the biggest thing is it lets you change between USB connected headsets on your Xbox without having to physically unplug and replug in the USB connections. That's the main reason I got it. The other thing it does is, for example, I use an external hard drive for SSD to speed up my games. And if you have an external hard drive that uses more juice than a standard 3.0 hub, then that power brick backup will give it another 3 amps. So you might be able to run a cooling fan, another headset transmitter, your external hub, all the things that you want to power without drawing any more juice away from your Xbox. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you guys a few of the gadgets I use and give you an update. The Elite 2 is still functioning. So thanks. Have a great day.